See, in terms of the, if you're asking a personal experience, it has been very exhilarating, very exciting experience. And I personally feel that this election will be the turning point in Indian democracy. For the simple reason because a generation has completely changed. Those who were at the forefront of election in 2009 and those who are in the 2014, it's completely changed. Now there is Narendra Modi, there is Rahul Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal. And whereas in 2009 there was Lal Kis Advani, there was Sonia Gandhi, and Arvind Kejriwal was not present at that point of time. So I think a generational shift has taken place. And secondly, this election has also shown that how with the help of media and with the help of money power and the muscle power, election can be fought, and the marketing can also take a great can also be very very important in terms of strategizing elections.
So you were being in the election, you were being in the different places. There was some point in the people, like Arvind has left the seat from Delhi. How much it would be affecting the things? How much it would be resulting?
See, contesting election from Varanasi by Arvind Kejriwal has a lot of significance in terms of symbolism, because this is a fight which Congress has completely lost. I say that they have no will to fight. They never had a will to fight Narendra Modi and the BJP. Where Arvind Kejriwal fought from Varanasi to clear us, to send a signal to everybody that Narendra Modi should be stopped at any cost, because he represents a kind of forces which is not good for the Indian democracy. And I think from that point of view, I think he succeeded in terms of sending that signal to everybody.
So what would you react on the exit polls? Like nowadays we can see the maximum TV channels and the media industry is showing the exit poll in favor of BJP.
See, I myself was a journalist for good 23 years and editor for 8 years. So I would not like to question the integrity of the exit polls. But I want to say something, that in 2004 and 2009, in both the elections, when there was so many TV channels and so many exit poll agencies came into the picture, they were quite off the mark. In 2004, everybody predicted that the NDA government is coming back, whereas nobody thought that Congress can come and form the government. Same in 2009. The kind of projection which was given before 2009 was completely off the mark, because nobody thought that the Congress can get to 206 seats. Because the problem is that BJP is very very vocal, and their cadre is also very vocal. So BJP is always overestimated, whereas other political forces are always underestimated. And I think the same thing again I see in this exit poll. And I can tell you that whatever the projection is given by exit polls and opinion polls, they are quite off the mark. And BJP and the Indian numbers will be much less than what has been projected.
So what exactly Aam Aadmi Party is planning to do if they do not win?
See, do not win is a very generalized statement, because we never claimed during the elections we are going to form the government, and neither we said that we are going to win a massive number of seats. For us, the most important thing is to sending message to almost every nook and corner of the country, to tell and to inform that here is a political party which believes in the sanity of elections, believes in the honesty of elections, believes in the integrity of elections. So our role has been a kind of demystifying elections. The elections which was defined by money power, muscle power, media power, the crookedness, the dynasty. We proved that you can fight elections despite money power, muscle power, and the media power, without crookedness and without dynasty. I think that's a great lesson for all of us. And I think a man like me, who 6 months back had never thought to be in politics and contesting election, if I can think of contesting election, that itself is a significant change, the turning point in Indian democracy.
So as if just you said, and everybody knows you were a big part of media and you have seen the decades in media. And Aam Aadmi Party, or I would say Arvind Kejriwal, is always questioning media about things. What would you react? You yourself know the fact and figures of media.
See, I can tell you that this time I was really disappointed by the role which has been played by media, and that's why I said that the time has come when the role of the media should be, I will not say investigated, but I will say that media should introspect, should try to understand why they have succumbed to the charm, pressure and the temptations of Narendra Modi.